Hotel receptionist job. Laundry service.
Hi, I have a question. Do you have laundry service?
Yes, we do. The price is $5 per pound.
$5?
Yes, that's right, $5 per pound.
How fast would it be finished?
It should be ready by tonight.
Tonight?
Yes, tonight. That should be no problem.
Okay, because I'll leave early tomorrow morning.
Understood. We'll make sure it's done tonight and delivered to your room.
Perfect. I'll come back down and bring you the laundry.
Sure, take your time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.